2004 Mini Cooper, replacing the water pump. As you can see, you gotta take off the front grille, bumper, AC, radiator, and right here is the water pump. 13 millimeters, two 10 millimeters, and two hoses. Move your radiator alternator out of the way, in and out. Comes as a complete unit, as you see, for about 4 hours worth of work. It's roughly about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get it done. And to get the bumper off, the easiest way to do is to remove the undercover bumper guard. Two 17 millimeter bolts. That thing slides right out, and it's easier to get the whole assembly off, as you can see.